Welcome to Before the Light, where we dive into the cosmos's wildest mysteries with the 1980s sci-fi comic style. Imagine the Earth grinding to a halt, frozen in its tracks. What happens when our spinning planet stops? Would we fly off into space or face a nightmare world? Buckle up as we explore this cosmic catastrophe. Picture Earth as a giant spinning top, whirling at 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. This spin kicked off 4.5 billion years ago when a planet-sized rock slammed into our young world, setting it twirling and birthing the moon. That cosmic crash gave us 24-hour days, seasons, and a stable climate. Earth's spin drives winds and ocean currents, keeping our planet livable. Without it, life as we know it would collapse. But here's the twist. The moon's gravity tugs at Earth, slowing it down by a tiny 1.4 milliseconds every century. In 140 million years, a day might stretch to 25 hours. Could Earth ever stop completely? Let's dive into what that would mean. If Earth slammed on the brakes, it'd be like a sci-fi disaster flick gone wild. Everything loose, cars, trees, you, would rocket eastward at 1,000 miles per hour. You wouldn't blast into space. Earth's gravity keeps you pinned, but you'd tumble like a supersonic pinball. The atmosphere would keep spinning, whipping up winds fiercer than an atomic blast, shredding buildings to dust. Oceans would surge into tsunamis miles high, sweeping continents like a wall of water you couldn't outrun. Tectonic plates, still shifting, could unleash earthquakes and supervolcanoes, spewing lava and ash, turning Earth into a fiery wasteland. In mere hours, most life would vanish, leaving a planet-sized graveyard under a frozen sun. If anyone survived the chaos, the world would be alien. Earth's spin bulges its equator, holding oceans in place. Without it, water would rush to the poles, forming two polar oceans and a barren supercontinent around the equator. Days wouldn't last 24 hours. One side of Earth would bake under 6 months of sunlight, hitting 212 degrees Fahrenheit, boiling rivers dry. The other side would freeze in 6 months of darkness, colder than Antarctica. Could life survive? A narrow twilight zone between light and dark might offer bearable temperatures. Nomadic tribes could chase this zone, living like cosmic wanderers, but finding food or water would be brutal. Worse, Earth's magnetic field, powered by its spinning core, could fade, letting solar radiation scorch the surface. Could humanity adapt, or would we flicker out like a bad signal on a retro TV? Earth's spin keeps our world alive, but if it stopped, we'd face a cosmic nightmare. Could we survive in a twilight zone, or is our fate sealed? Will Earth ever stop spinning? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to Before the Light to uncover more cosmic riddles. Keep staring at the stars, explorers.